Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in number part 5. Today's topic is write in number part 5. Okay. Our lecture number is 5 and today we have no homework. Okay. My dear students, from part 1 to part 4 we have learned how to write down in number from 1 to 30. Today we will learn how to write down in number from 31 to 40. Okay. Our topic is write in number part 5. Today we will learn how to write down from 31 to 40. Our first number is 31. We need to write down the number 31. Before that, in the previous class we have learned how to write down 30. The 30 number is we can write down 3 and 0 makes the number 30. That means in the ones position we write down 0, in the tens position we will write down 3 to write down 30. Okay, my dear students, in the ones position in the right side, and after that in sequentially it will be tens position, 100 position and so on. So my dear students, in the right side we have the ones position, it will be 0, and tens position will be 3. That makes the number 30. So the next number is 31. Our first number is 31 today. To make the number 31, we need to write down how much. Look, in the tens position and in the ones position. In the ones position we will write down 1, and in the tens position we will write down 3 to make the number 31. So 3 and 1 makes 31, or you can say 3 tens and 1 make the number 31. Okay. Next number is 32. Okay. In the tens position we will write down 3 again, and in the ones position we will increase the number by 1. So it will be 2 now. So 3 tens and 2 ones make the number 32. That means 3 and 2 make the numbers 32. My dear students, you can say 3 and 2 make the number 32, or you can say 3 tens and 2 ones make the number 32. The next number is 33. The next number is 33. So our tens position will be 3 and our ones position will be 3 again. That means 3 tens and 3 ones make the number 33, or you can say that 3 and 3 make the number 33. Okay. Next number is 34. My dear students, to make the number 34, in the ones position we will write down 4, in the tens position we will write down the number 3. That means 3 tens and 4 ones makes the number 34, or you can say 3 and 4 makes the number 34. Our next number is 35. We will increase the number in the ones position by 1. We will write down 5 in the ones position and 3 again in the tens position. 3 tens and 5 ones makes the number 35, or you can say 3 and 5 make the number 35. My dear students, next number is 36. Our next number is 36 in the right side. We should identify the place value. Okay, 36. So 6 in the ones position and 3 in the tens position, or you can say 3 and 6 make the number 36. Dear students, 6 is very important number to write it down, because you did mistake in a lot of time. Okay, so be careful when you write down the number 6. So 3 tens and 6 ones make the number 36. Our next number is 37. Our ones position number will be 7 and tens position number will be 3. That means 3 tens and 7 ones make the number 37, or you can say 3 and 7 make the number 37. Next number is 38. In the ones position we will write down 8, and in the tens position we will write down 3 to make the number 38. That means 3 tens and 8 ones make the number 38, or you can say 3 and 8 make the number 38. Next number is 39. Okay, so our ones position will increase again by 1. After 8 we will get 9. So 9 will be in the ones position and 3 again will be in the tens position. That means 3 tens and 9 ones makes the number 39, or you can say 3 and 9 make the number 39. Our next number, that means our last number is 40. Our last number is 40. After 9 we will take the number 0. That means in the ones position we will write down the digit 0. And the tens position now will increase 1. That means we had 3 in 39. In 40 we will write down 4 in the tens position. You can say 4 and 0 makes the number 40, or you can say 4 tens and 0 ones makes the number 40. Dear students, I think you have understood. Now I am calling the numbers again. 3 and 1 makes the number 31. Okay, 3 and 2 makes the number 32. 3 and 3 makes the number 33. 3 and 4 makes the number 34. 3 and 5 makes the number 35. Next number is 36. So 3 and 6 makes the number 36. 3 is 7. 3 and 7 makes the number 37. 3 and 8 makes the number 38. 3 and 9 makes the number 39. And the last number, today's last number is 4 and 0 makes the number 40. So you have no homework today, dear students. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Abhay parents. See you again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.